Okay, so here we have a featherweight. We're going to adjust our motor belt tension. This is the screw that you would loosen to adjust it. But we're going to check this first. So we're going to hold our hand wheel. We're going to hold our hand wheel and we're going to watch this pulley right here, the motor pulley. When we step on the foot pedal, notice the motor pulley does not turn. The motor pulley should turn a little bit. If you're holding the hand wheel and you're watching the motor pulley and that pulley is not rotating at all, it should rotate very slowly and then you'll have the correct belt tension when you're holding the hand wheel and stepping on the foot pedal. So let's try that. I'm going to make an adjustment here. I'm going to loosen this a little bit. I'm going to raise this motor up just a tiny bit. You can use that little area right there to kind of give you kind of an idea. Only move it a little bit at a time. Don't get too carried away. Okay, so there it's just barely moving. Now we have the correct motor belt tension. So when you hold the hand wheel, okay, see how it's just turning. That's what you're after. Okay, I hope this helps. Enjoy your featherweights.